Working with large data in Excel, a pivot table can help you analyze and summarize it in just a few clicks. In this video, I'll show you how to create and use pivot tables step by step. Step 1. Prepare your data. First, make sure your data is in proper tabular form with clear column headings. Optionally, you can convert it into a formal table. Go to the Insert tab and click on Table. Excel will automatically select your full data range. Step 2. Insert a pivot table. Now, go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. In the pop-up window, Excel will select your data automatically. It will then ask whether you want the pivot table in a new worksheet or in the existing worksheet. I'll choose New Worksheet and click OK. Step 3. Understand the Pivot Table Fields pane. A blank pivot table is created, and on the right-hand side, you'll see the Pivot Table Fields pane. If you click outside the pivot table, this pane disappears. But don't worry, it comes back when you click on the pivot table again. Step 4. Explore the sections. In the Fields pane, you'll see all your column headers listed. Below that, there are 4 sections: filters, columns, rows, values. You can add fields to these sections either by checking the box next to them or by dragging and dropping. Step 5. Build the pivot table. For example, let's check Item. It goes into the Rows section. We can also drag it into the Filters section if we want to filter by item. Now, let's add other headers, like Employee, Quantity, and Amount. From here, we can easily see which employees sold each product, along with total quantities and amounts. Pivot tables let you mix and match these fields however you like. Step 6. Remove fields. If you want to remove a field, just uncheck it or drag it back out of the section. And that's how you create and customize pivot tables in Excel. Super powerful for analyzing large data sets. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Excel tutorial.